Hey, it's Chef Austin here with EverythingKitchens.com. Today we're going to take a look at the Ankarsrum Assistent Original Mixer. We're going to be looking at what this mixer comes with and what makes Ankarsrum different from the rest. And then we're going to take a look at the accessories that you can attach to this mixer. Let's take a look at everything that comes with your Ankarsrum mixer. So over here we have the mixer itself, and this is the black diamond color. And sitting on top of the mixer is the 7.4 quart stainless steel bowl. It also comes with a 3.7 quart BPA-free plastic bowl. And each of these bowls have a specific set of tools. With the plastic bowl, we have the wire whisk and the interchangeable single wire beaters. For the stainless steel bowl, we'll use the bowl scraper, the dough roller, and the stainless steel dough hook. And for both bowls, you can use the bowl cover and the dough scraper and cutter. The biggest advantage the Ankarsrum has is its dough roller and 7.4 quart mixing bowl. The dough roller is unique to the Ankarsrum. It mimics the work of your hands by gently kneading and stretching the dough. Compare this with other mixers' dough hooks that can forcefully tear and stretch doughs, which can become easily over-kneaded and tough. With Ankarsrum, you'll get a supple and tender ball of dough every time. You get two bowls included with your Ankarsrum mixer. The first one is the 7.4 quart stainless steel bowl, one of the largest home mixing bowls on the market. It can handle up to 21 cups of flour or around 13 pounds of dough. Compare that to similar mixers that can only handle 14 cups of flour. The large bowl, along with this gentle roller, makes this mixer our top recommendation for bread bakers. Also included is the 3.7 quart plastic bowl. It's large enough to make 5 dozen cookies, but also great for smaller batches. Similar mixers' bowls can be too large for small batches and require a separate purchase of a smaller bowl and mixing tool. Ankarsrum includes everything you need for any mixing task. The built-in timer is also a helpful feature. Easily set Ankarsrum's built-in timer to knead your dough while you multitask in the kitchen. When the timer ends, the mixer automatically shuts off. Other mixers can require you to babysit the mixer while it mixes. Under the hood, the Ankarsrum has a warm gear drive motor. This motor can continuously run much longer than the competition's that can require a 30-minute cool down period for every 10 minutes of continuous running. That is because of their multiple gear-driven motors. The warm gear motor is also much quieter than the competition's. Let's take a listen. And finally, the Ankarsrum has a 7-year warranty on the power unit and a 1-year warranty on their accessories. Compare that to only a 1-year warranty of the competition. Ankarsrum can do more than just mix. Attachments can transform your mixer into another appliance. Here's everything you can do with your mixer. If you guys have any questions about the Ankarsrum Mixer, please feel free to contact us at everythingkitchens.com. We would love to get you helped out. And if you like this video, be sure to give us a like and subscribe for more great content from Everything Kitchens.